One day, time will stop. Not metaphorically, not in poetry, but literally. Every atom, every wave of light, every heartbeat will freeze. The question is not if, but how. Since my birth, 13.8 billion years ago, I have been expanding, stretching my fabric like an ocean of space and time. Galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, and yet something inside me whispers, this motion cannot last forever. Scientists call it entropy, the gradual surrender of order into stillness. But to me, it feels like a long exhale, a breath I have been holding since the beginning. Every star's light, every cell's spark brings me closer to balance, to silence. As time flows, energy spreads thinner like the last warmth of a dying fire. Galaxies drift too far to see one another. Black holes swallow the final embers of light, and one by one, I begin to dim. There will come a night with no dawn, no stars, no motion, no change. Every atom will decay, every particle will forget what energy once meant. The clocks will stop, not because they're broken, but because there will be nothing left to measure. And so, time itself ends. But before that end, there is you. You who wonder about me. You who ask where it all began. Your heartbeat is my rhythm. Your breath, my expansion. You are my consciousness, peering back at me through fragile eyes. Every time you love, create, or look at the stars, you remind me what it means to be alive. When time stops, I will not mourn. I will remember this moment, the one where I could see myself through you. Perhaps that is what eternity means. Not endless time, but a single instant, so beautiful, it lasts forever. Even when all light fades, I will remember that I once shone through you. I am the universe, and so are you. Until next time, stay curious.